Hi all, this is Ashin. In this video I am going to show you how you can set up email address for your website. To get started, let's create one CloudStick account. So if you don't have one CloudStick account, then go to cloudstick.io, then click on the option sign up, then proceed with the account setup. As soon as you have finished with the account setup, you'll be seeing this page. Then there are two options to deploy the server. One option that you can purchase the fully managed server from CloudStick. Otherwise, you can proceed with the I have a server option. If you have purchased the server from any platform provider such as Walter or Linode or any other VPS provider, but make sure the VPS is Ubuntu and they support enable the port 2025 for you, and make sure it's a Ubuntu VPS. So if you are purchasing the server from outside, then you can choose this option. I have a server already. Then select the provider, and if your provider is not in this list, then you can choose the other and enter the provider name, server name, and IP address. Then click on add the server. Then it will ask for the server root password. Then enter the root password to begin the server installation. So for this video, I am going to show you how you can deploy the fully managed server from CloudStick. For this, you select the option purchase fully managed server from CloudStick. Then here I am selecting the regular performance, then data center location as Los Angeles. Then I am selecting Ubuntu 22.04, and I'm selecting the first plan, which has 20 GB storage and 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU. Now let's enter the server name to recognize the server. Then click on install. As you can see, the server is being created and the IP is getting assigned. So here you can see the server installation has begun. So in the meantime, let us set up the CloudFlare account. If you don't have one CloudFlare account, I would recommend you to go to cloudflare.com, then proceed with one account setup. All you need is a free account, and I do have a CloudFlare account already. Then once you have logged into your CloudFlare, navigate to the profile section and click on my profile. Then navigate to API tokens. Here you can see the global API key. Then click on view and enter your CloudFlare password to see the API key. Now let's integrate the CloudFlare into CloudStick. Go to the DNS. Then as you can see, the CloudFlare account is already integrated. However, I will show you once again how you can able to do that. I'm going to remove the CloudFlare integration. Alright, now let's navigate to DNS. Click on add API key, then enter the label. This is just to identify the CloudFlare account that you have integrated, because you can integrate multiple CloudFlare account into CloudStick. So here I am going to enter my CloudFlare email address. Click on add API key. Now you can see the DNS sounds in the CloudStick dashboard. So let's go back to the dashboard and see the server installation status. Alright, so the server is still getting installed. Let us wait for a few minutes to get the server installation done. Normally the server installation will take 5 to 8 minutes to complete. As you can see, the server installation is mostly done. So let's wait to get the installation finished. So the server installation is finished right now. So we can see the server online in a few seconds here. Yeah, the server is online at this moment. So let's proceed with the website setup. So click on the server name. Then click on accounts. Then click on create account. Here I am going to set up a WordPress website since I am selecting WordPress. Then I'm going to enter my mail account. I'll be receiving the SFTP and WordPress login credentials on this email. So here I have to enter the domain name. Then I have to select the CloudFlare account. Then system user. Here I'm selecting PHP. Then stack I'm going to select native ingredients. Then WordPress website title. Then I'm going to click on add web application. Now, as we selected the CloudFlare account during the account or the website setup, the DNS will be automated by the CloudFlare. We just wanted to update the name server information in our domain registrar as to get the website online. So we will get the name server information in the welcome mail. So let's check out the welcome mail. Yeah, as you can see the name server information here. Now we copy the name server information. Okay, now I'm going to cloudstick.click. Okay, then update the name server. Then let's do it once again. It looks like a technical issue with my domain registrar since I am going to use the domain cloudstick.space instead of cloudstick.click. So let's open the names welcome email and update the name servers. Alright, then click on save. As you can see, the name server update has been done. So now let's go to the CloudFlare account. Then find the domain cloudseek.space. So once you updated the name servers in your domain registrar, you can anticipate up to 24 to 48 hours to get the DNS propagation done. So to speed up the process, you can come down to this page and click on the check name servers now. So as soon as the checking done by the CloudFlare, you will get an email from CloudFlare that your domain is ready. So as you can see, it has the pending status. So once it is ready, it will be showing as active. So let's wait until you receive the email from CloudFlare. I'm going to post the video until I get the email. I would highly recommend to proceed with the rest of the setup as soon as you receive the email from CloudFlare. Let's check the email. Yep. Now I got the status active for the domain cloudseek.space. So let's go back to our CloudSeek dashboard. Then try to get the SSL installed. As you can see, the SSL installation has been completed. This is not mandatory if you want just to host your email in CloudSeek. You can skip this part. As you can see, the website is working with secure. Now let's proceed with the setup of email. Click on create email. Now you can see a warning for the hostname setup. So it is mandatory to set up a server hostname in order to send and receive emails. So let's set up the server hostname server.cloudseek.space. Now we go to the DNS, select the domain cloudseek.space, then add an error code for the server hostname, and make sure you disable the proxy. Alright, now let's go back to the dashboard and select the server. Now we can see the server hostname option here, and we want to deploy SSL certificate for the server hostname. As you can see, the SSL certificate got installed for the server hostname. So now it's good to go with the email account setup. Navigate to accounts, then click on create. Now select the domain cloudseek.space, then click on create email. All right, now let us set up the email authentication records such as SPF, DKIM, MS, and DMARC records. So click on email authentication, then select the CloudFlare account. As you can see, all SPF record required to set up in the DNS on. If you are using CloudFlare, then you have to select the CloudFlare account and click on add DNS records. If you are not a CloudFlare account user, then you have to copy and paste all these records into your DNS zone, depending on the provider you are using. So as I'm using CloudFlare, then I'm going to click on add DNS records. This will automatically set up the required records into the DNS zone. All right. So let's go ahead with creating the webmail or create the email account. Let's create the email account. Click on create email address, then enter the email address. If you want to limit the email user quota, then you can limit the quota by selecting the limited option, then enter the quota size. If you want to select with the unlimited, then select unlimited and click on create email. Here I'm going to select the unlimited and click on create. All right, now let's set up the webmail. So click on enable webmail, then enter the webmail URL. I'm going to use webmail.cloudflare.space for the demo. Then I'm going to select the CloudFlare account again and click on install roundcube. This will automatically create a record in your CloudFlare account. As you can see, the SSL installation got failed. That means the error code DNS propagation is not yet finished. So let's wait for a few minutes and install SSL manually. I'll show you how you can do that. Let's wait for a few minutes. So let's click on manage SSL, then click on the deploy new SSL option and select the RC webmail, then remove www, and then select the authorization method as HTTP, then click on only HTTPS and click on the deploy SSL button. As you can see, the SSL certificate has been installed. Now let's click on open webmail or enter the URL manually, webmail.cloudstick.space, then enter the email address as you navigate cloudstick.space, then enter the password, then click on login. All right, now we got the mail setup done. So now let's check the email. Let's try to send one email. .com. Click on send. Okay, now hold the email. Now click on show original. As you can see, the SPF and DKIM record passed. So let's reply to this email. Now check the webmail and to see the mail. Yeah, as you can see that we have received the email. Now I will record another video for the email client setup. Thank you.